Okay, so on this last video, what I'm going to show you how to do is a couple things. I'm going to show you how to embed your graph into your essay. So you do need to have your graph survey results up. I'm also going to show you how to create your complete works cited page. Remember, this is a page where I have my sources in proper MLA format, copied and pasted. I have my notes, okay? And so what I'm going to do now is scroll down and start my works cited page. It has to have its own page with a centered title. So let's go back up here. Because my entries have to be in the ABC order, attacking the obesity epidemic starts with A, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that first. Remember, you need to have double spaced. So I am going to highlight this again. And then I'm going to go up to the formatting tool or tab and go line spacing. I need to have this double spaced. There we go. Now I also need to have hanging indentation. So a lot of times what you can do is press return, and that will let go of that particular line, and then I'm going to tab this over. That is proper MLA formatting for that particular entry. So now I'm going to go back up and scroll back up to my other source, which is the Texas A&M. Copy that. Scroll back down because that's another entry from my works cited page. Go back to where I need to type that in. Now, obviously you see that they're not the right size right now. Now, what I am going to do also is I'm going to take out the actual address that is not required for MLA. And so I'm going to go ahead and make that into 12 font. I think that is 14 font. So let's make that into 12 font so that it is proper MLA size. And then again, I'm going to go up to here. I'm going to format and go to line spacing. That needs to be double spaced also. Again, hanging indentation. So I'm going to take my cursor, press return, and then tab over. My works cited is done. Now I'm going to go down here to where I'm starting my paper. Remember, your proper heading must be on the left side of your paper. So this is my first paragraph here. It's fictitious. This is my second paragraph, and this is where I'm going to embed my circle graph. So go back over to your survey results. I'm going to take a screenshot of this entire circle graph. Now that has been saved to my desktop. So I will go into my paper, press insert, and I'm going to push image. And it's going to upload from my computer. So it's going to now open up my Finder, and I'm going to press on my desktop. And then scroll down to where the actual circle graph is. I'm going to embed that right here. Now, the great thing about this is you can resize it so it fits nicely underneath that second paragraph. I'm going to reference that circle graph in this paragraph. Now I'm going to add my first source in this third paragraph. So let's see, I'm going to go back up to my notes, and I think I want to add this particular fact into my paper. So I'm going to go back to my third paragraph. I'm going to go ahead and use the actual quote. So I'm going to keep it in the quotations, but now I have to change my in-text citation. Remember, there is no punctuation after the quote, but there is the actual title of the document or the source. So let's see, that was from Texas A&M. So here is my actual title. I'm going to copy the first 2 or 3 words, go back down, and that's what's going to go into this spot. Because it is a title, it has to have quotations, and then my period punctuation goes here. That is proper, correct MLA formatting and in-text citation. Also, my graph is embedded nicely into my essay.